Hey, this is Ronald Carroll from Mad Skills University. Today I want to show you how I created a travel commercial for a vlog, and it was really a trailer as well. And today I'm going to show you how I did that in Filmora 12. And I'm going to do it in Filmora. Let's go ahead. Now, I started this, so let's see what we have. So first thing, I want this flag to go the other way. So I'll click on the video, go up here to Video Basics, and come down here to where it says Flip. And I'll flip that one. Then we'll do the same thing over here, and we'll flip it. Okay, so now that we have those flipped, I want to start this on the flag and zoom out. So click on your video, go up here and click on Crop, and then go over here and click on Pan and Zoom. And we're going to end on the outside and start on the inside. So let's make the start on the flag, make that small, and put it right over the flag. And then click on the end, click on the outside here, and let's drag this out. So now we'll look like this. Let's play it back, make sure it's right. Again, you can play with that because I noticed it was a little bit off. It came more from the left. So let's bring it over just a little bit more. And how about making it a little bit smaller? And let's try that. About what we had. Now, I'm missing a picture here. I'm not going to worry about that. We'll just grab another one. Let's grab this over here, bring it back to there, and we're gonna we'll bring in this video here, put it right there, play it. So this is okay, so we see that there's a spike right here. Hold Alt to go down a line, hold Control to expand so I can see it. And there's my first spike right there. This should be slightly more over. So it's the same way as really DaVinci Resolve. About right there. And this one's going to come in about right here. So let's go ahead and cut that right there. Again, make sure this audio track is locked. And just cut that. Control B as in boy. Or just cut it. And delete or backspace. So now we're going to bring in 3. And we can bring in any 3. So I think it was this one though. So it's 1 second. So this is going to be really tight. We can always make it a little bit bigger. Let's just cut them really close. Let's bring in another one. Control. Scroll up. Make that smaller, bring that over, let's grab it, and I can always make it bigger. I just want to get it as tight as I can and just see what I have. So it's going to stop about right there. But I'm missing this one. Let's bring that one down. There was actually a 4th one there. Yep. Cut that about right there. Scroll up. So that's not perfect, but I think you get the point. This might be a little bit smaller. Let's try that. As you can see, there are no transitions here at all. There you go. So that's how you would do that in Filmora 12, and you just keep adding your videos as you go down the line. Now that's not perfect. I just want to show you in both editors how easy it is to do. Please check out my other videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great and creative day.